Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a PS5 on the Hisense U6H. So sit back and relax, and let's get started. Now before we get into this, the first thing I want to tell you guys you want to do is set up the TV. And all you want to do is hit this little menu button right here. Now when you see this list, the first thing I would do if the TV doesn't switch automatically is go to Picture, click on it, and then you want to go down to Game. And this will get the TV ready for gaming. Now you can adjust all these different settings, but for this video purposes, we're going to leave it exactly how it is. The next thing you want to do is go down here where it says HDMI Format, and you have to change this to Enhanced. If you don't do this, then the TV's only going to notice the gaming console has been 1080p instead of 4K. Now some of these settings will happen automatically, but I'm going to walk you through the process just in case your TV didn't set itself up. The first thing you can do is go down here to Sound Settings, and then you will go to Audio Output. If you're using your TV speakers, next thing you want to do is go down where it says 3D Audio for TV speakers. Now you want to find your sweet spot in the room and go ahead and press Start Measuring. And what this is going to do, it's going to set up the audio from the TV to give you the best sound with your PS5. It's going to give you a countdown timer. What I like to do is set up the volume to a comfort level that you normally listen to it, and then you want to go over here and press on Next. The final step is to start measuring. It's going to give you a countdown. And what it's doing is taking the microphone from your controller and setting up the parameters to give you the best sound effects. Now we have that set up. You want to go back into where it says Screen and Video. Now one thing I will tell you that this is a 4K 60 Hz television, so don't expect any type of 120 Hz performance on it. And one thing you'll notice is that the VRR is supported up to 60 Hz and HDR is set up, but we haven't set up the HDR yet. So what we want to do is go back, and then we want to go down here to where it shows HDR. Now I like to put this to only when it's supported. And then we need to set up the parameters. So go and press on Adjust HDR and make sure you stop any games that you're using. Now this screen is going to get really bright. So what you want to do is just basically adjust this to where you can just barely see the stars. And it's only 3 screens. So once we get that, and now we're good to go. Another thing you can do is go in here and do your screen adjustment, and you can use the controller to make sure that you're getting the best edges possible for the TV that you have. With that all done, now you're ready to game.